In Japan, they say if you hear a slow po, po, po outside your window at night, never answer. Never even look. A boy named Kenji was staying at his grandmother's countryside house when he heard it. A deep, rhythmic tapping against the glass. He peeked through the curtain. A woman stood outside, but she was impossibly tall. Her head nearly reached the second floor. She was smiling. He shut the curtain and ran to his grandmother. She turned pale and said, "She's already chosen you." They sealed every door with salt and afuda charms. But at 3 a.m., Kenji heard the voice inside the house. His grandmother found his bed empty the next morning. The window was still locked from the inside. If you don't want Hachishakusama to visit your window tonight, like, subscribe, and drop A in the comments right now.